The story of life is a vast, fascinating narrative spanning billions of years. It includes the origin of life, its evolution, and the interconnected web of organisms that have inhabited Earth. Welcome viewers to the start of life. The origin of life, abiogenesis. Life on Earth began approximately 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. This era, known as the Hadean Eon, was marked by a hostile environment with volcanic activity, intense radiation, and a lack of oxygen. Despite these conditions, the first building blocks of life formed through a process called abiogenesis.
1. Formation of Earth. Accretion of planetary material. The Earth formed through the gravitational accretion of dust and debris in the solar nebula. Differentiation. As the planet grew, it became stratified into layers. Heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to form the core, while lighter silicates formed the mantle and crust. Moon formation. The Moon likely formed during this eon from debris ejected after a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body called Theia. 2. Harsh and dynamic environment. Volcanic activity. Intense volcanic activity dominated, releasing gases that would later contribute to the primitive atmosphere. Meteorite bombardment. Frequent impacts from asteroids and comets delivered additional material to Earth, including water and organic compounds. Molten surface. For much of the Hadean, Earth's surface was partially molten, cooling slowly over millions of years. 3. The proto-atmosphere and early oceans. Atmosphere. The initial atmosphere was likely composed of hydrogen and helium, but these light gases escaped into space. Volcanic outgassing created a secondary atmosphere rich in water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and nitrogen. Oceans. As the planet cooled, water vapor condensed to form liquid water. By the end of the Hadean, the first oceans began to appear. 4. Chemical foundations for life. Organic molecule formation. Energy sources like volcanic activity, lightning, and ultraviolet radiation may have triggered chemical reactions, producing simple organic molecules. Potential cradles of life. Hydrothermal vents and shallow pools are theorized to have been sites where these organic molecules accumulated and possibly began forming complex structures. Formation of organic molecules. Simple organic molecules, such as amino acids, were created in Earth's early environment. Experiments like the Miller-Urey experiment, 1953, demonstrated that these molecules could form under prebiotic conditions. Self-replication. Some molecules, possibly RNA, gained the ability to replicate themselves. This marked the beginning of a process that allowed life to evolve. First cells. These molecules were encased in lipid membranes, creating protocells. These primitive cells were the precursors to all life. Love you guys, bye.